Yeah, he's not smart like he claims to be. Fucking Doug's son, like Doug, like, you know, like, yep, like, they're the family of Dougs, you know. I don't know why he's friends with them. Like, don't be friends with those people, you know. They're not good people, you know. They mistreat their animals. They have like 10 animals in the house. I mean, come on, dude. You can't have more than 2 animals in most places. I mean, come on. Ridiculous.
Remember, you can sign up for Newsmax Plus and watch it anywhere. With Newsmax Plus, you get Newsmax's great shows and much more. Millions are switching to Newsmax. Be one. Start for free. Just go to newsmaxplus.com. That's newsmaxplus.com and sign up today. Haven't filed tax returns for years? Think you can't have a life? Think again. You've heard me say that to you for years. Let us take this burden off of you, your family, your business, and solve it for you. You never have to have this problem again, no matter how many years you haven't filed a tax return. This is a very common situation, and we have tremendous experience in helping people and businesses solve this. You can have a normal life now. Don't have your records, or your records are in a mess? Former spouse, partner, or bookkeeper always used to do everything for you? Don't know how to account for crypto? Don't have the mind to pay your taxes? No problem. We'll get all the records that the government has on you. We can help you with your back and future accounting or just do it for you. And if you're unable to pay your taxes, we'll explain all of your various options and then we'll negotiate the best option for you. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888-TAX-DEAL. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888-TAX-DEAL or MoskowitzLLP.com. MoskowitzzLLP.com.
Too much cars
by American First Tax Group. Attention, if you or your business is behind in filing your tax returns, or if you owe over $10,000 in back taxes to the IRS, please listen carefully. The IRS does not joke around and will not stop their collection efforts. If you're tired of the IRS letters, levies, liens, or wage garnishments and would like to get a fresh start, we can help. Due to the financial hardships in the country, the IRS is making it easier than ever to settle tax problems for those who owe more than $10,000. We can help settle your delinquent tax problems and all collections, and may even reduce your back taxes significantly. Even if you can't afford to pay your back taxes, you can still get the help you need. We've helped thousands of taxpayers just like you, but you must call 800-806-1299 today to stop your tax problem from getting worse. The information is free and the help is real. Call 800-806-1299 or visit americafirsttaxgroup.com/live-in. That's 800-806-1299 or americafirsttaxgroup.com/live-in. Again, 800-806-1299 or americafirsttaxgroup.com/live-in.
Listen up. Check it out.
But the Mark Levin Show is on the air.
I am ready to start the show.
God willing, Donald Trump will win the presidency, and I have a recommendation, Mr. Producer, for an individual to be put in charge of the Department of HHS to oversee CDC and so forth. Rand Paul. Drag his ass out of the Senate. But when it comes to foreign policy, he's more Bernie Sanders. More Bernie Sanders than Ronald Reagan, that's for sure.
Boxers.
Certainly no Churchill.
Nice sag.
And
nice
he can do his work there. Department of Health and Human Services, where he actually might be pretty good, rather than being the wingman for Bernie Sanders. That way his contempt for the Israeli Jews will be of a non-issue over there at the Department of Health and Human Services.
Okay, there we go.
Look, folks, I call him as I see him. It's the way it is. He's got a consistent record, a consistent pattern, like his old man. I know who these people are. I know they give great speeches at committee hearings and on the floor of the Senate, but I know who they are. And when they give great speeches, we salute them. We play them sometimes. When they are what they are, don't blame me. I'm just pointing it out.
Oh, what now?
for ranked choice voting.
I never said
This is
anything
how
about
they
my
go
life
on
insurance.
certain-
What the fuck?
As AMAX membership grows,
What is this fucking
well,
problem?
you have great
There
influence
is
where it needs to be because of
period.
your numbers.
I never said
2.5
anything about
million.
my life insurance.
Every
What the
new member
fuck?
strengthens this movement.
Where the fuck
And
did
if you
get
love your
that
freedoms,
from?
please visit amac.us/levin, amac.us/levin. Become a 4-year member for just $30. And ladies and gentlemen, go to their site, look at the benefits and discounts. AMAC is not only better for America, it's better for you. Membership gives you access to the AMAC magazine, free Social Security Medicare guides, money savings, huge savings on discounts and benefits, trusted news, a wonderful news platform, and a lot more. Take advantage of our election year sale. 4 years, just $30. By joining the over 2 million members, your voice can't be ignored. Again, amac.us/levin, amac.us/levin. Be right back. Once again, Pure Talk, my sponsor, my wireless company, is investing in their customers. That's you. I'm happy to announce Pure Talk is now offering international roaming to over 50 countries. That's right. As you plan your summer travel, make sure your wireless provider has you covered at home and abroad. Pure Talk already puts you on America's most dependable 5G network, but now they're offering you coverage in over 50 countries as well. You get unlimited talk, unlimited text, plenty of 5G data, just $20 a month. And that's less than half the price of Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. They're ripping you off, folks. Bring your phone and get great savings on the latest iPhones and Androids. Do this, folks. Dial pound 250, say keyword Mark Levin. Pure Talk's U.S. customer service team will make switching easy and fast. Again, this month when you dial pound 250, that's 250, and say keyword Mark Levin, you'll save an additional 50% off your first month. Switch to Pure Talk right now so you can...
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic. A delay in San Jose, southbound 280, right before Saratoga Avenue. That's where things start to slow down. That delay will take you all the way to 10th Street. It'll cost you about 20 minutes to finish it if you're stuck on the whole thing. 2-car wreck in Hayward, eastbound 92 before Hesperia, and a backup from Industrial Boulevard. Just crash off to the side.
Snakes, zombies, public speaking, the list of fears is endless. But the real danger is in your hands when you're behind the wheel. Distracted driving is what's really scary, and even deadly. Eyes forward, don't drive distracted. Brought to you by NHTSA and the Ad Council.
Did you know that when you die and your children or grandchildren inherit your house, the tax on that property resets to the fair market value at the time of your death? Prop 19 made that happen. You may think that Prop 19 stops you in your tracks when it comes to transferring your house to your kids, but it doesn't have to be that way. Hi, it's David Hollander, managing partner of Hollander & Hollander. My team may have a solution that could help you decrease your tax burden when it comes to transferring your real estate to your children or grandchildren. Find out if your plan will stand up to Proposition 19. To obtain a second opinion, absolutely complimentary, pick up the phone right now and call this number, 866-PROTECT. Protect more of your money for your family from the government. Call this number, 866-776-8328. Again, call 866-PROTECT today.
Hey, it's Armstrong and Getty, and knowing the overtime rules is important when it comes to retirement planning and investment management because there are no do-overs in life, especially in retirement.
If you're looking for a local fiduciary who is licensed when it comes to loans, investments, insurance, basically all things money related, then please call our good friend Greg O'Donnell at the O'Donnell Financial Group.
For the past 3 decades, he's been helping people like you get peace of mind by planning for retirement. So just call Greg today at 866-496-2300 or visit him online at o'donnellfinancialgroup.com.
Again, that's o'donnellfinancialgroup.com or give him a call, 866-496-2300.
You owe it to yourself to know if you're going to be able to live that retirement lifestyle that